Here's how you can make a Tapmob account and make money just like this. So once you download the app, as you can see, you want to click on don't have an account, sign up at the very bottom. And from here, you want to enter in your first name as well as your last name. And then you want to make up a username. So you want the username to be actually similar to your first and last name. So just say so I'm going to do Jeff_farted. And now you want to enter in your email, enter in your phone number. And with Tapmob, it is actually invite code only. So I'm going to pop up my invite code on the top of the screen. So you can just copy that for the invite code. And then from here, you want to make a password and then simply click on next. Once you're in this page, basically you want to add a social account. So you want to find a social account that you have that has maybe the most clout, which is like the most number of followers or subscribers, and so choose whatever one that you have it. So I'm going to use Instagram, and then you want to enter in your account name, and then enter in the number of followers that you have. So now you want to choose the theme of what your account is about. So with this, what you want to choose is actually business, because business is going to get you the highest rate of acceptance. Now you want to click on next. And from here, you have to add your username again. So I'm going to do Jeff_farted. Now just fill out these 3 sections. How do you hear about us? I would say friend, because that's like the most reliant. And how do you plan to promote? You want to basically plan to promote using organic traffic. You want to say that. And also include trendy ways to promote, such as shorts and reels. And then for additional info, you want to put on no. Now simply click on these 2 check marks. At the top, you need to choose a messenger, so simply just click on anyone, and these doesn't really matter. And then now simply click on submit. So now it says, thank you for signing up. We were reviewing your application. So in about 1 or 2 days, they're going to most likely accept you, because that's how long I waited. And I've got accepted on like 3 different accounts. So good luck.